Hi there.
Hi there.
Today, 10th of February, is World Pulses Day. And this is
Very important day.
This is a day that the United Nations recognise, and the reason there is a World Pulses Day is because globally they want to encourage and increase public awareness of the role that pulses play in food security and food production around the world. So what are pulses? They're also known as legumes. So we're talking about our dried beans, our lentils, chickpeas, dried peas, which are, the most probably commonly known types of pulses. It is interesting to note that a lot of people actually get green peas and beans confused with pulses, but they're not because they're harvested green, so they're classified as a vegetable crop. So we're talking, dried legumes.
The legumes all in the same family, Leguminaceae, but they differentiate between peas and green crops, green beans, peas, and the actual bean seed itself. So in the same family, but pulses are slightly different.
Yeah. And the great thing about pulses is that you can grow them in the backyard garden.
So I've just written down a few benefits of growing pulses, and the first one is they're very easy to grow, which is very important. I mean, when you're teaching people overseas, and especially in places where perhaps they're not doing a lot of agriculture, where they're maybe in jungle areas and things like that, where we work with the Karen, where they're not used to doing a lot of, so they're very adaptable and easy to grow. They're highly nutritious, very high in protein, are the pulses. Another good thing about pulses, they're easy to save seed off. And the seeds store for a long time. Most of the pulses, the beans, the seed will store for anything up to 10 years, no problem at all. So they're very, very good, easy to save seed and easy to store the seed off. They have great storage qualities. I mean, obviously you can save the seed for 10 years, but that seed is also food. So you can store pulses for 10 years and put them in some water, and then you've got food. So they store very well. Another great thing about pulses, being in the legume family, they actually fix nitrogen to the soil. So you can run a crop of, say, kidney beans, and next year put, say, cabbage in there, and that soil is full of nitrogen for your cabbage crop. So they're great at fixing nitrogen in the soil, so they save a heap on nitrogenous fertilisers. And we tend to grow things organically anyway. We use natural, so using legumes for us is a really good organic way to fertilise the soil. So we're trialling a lot of legumes here at the Academy, and we've got things like lentils, chickpeas, kidney beans, black-eyed beans, sometimes called black-eyed peas, but they're actually a bean, scarlet runner beans, black beans, black turtle beans, navy beans, which are the one they use in baked beans. It's a good one. Pinto beans, which is like they've got two different colours on the outside of the bean, and soya beans. So this year we're trialling a lot of these. We do a lot of research and development here on the Academy because we want to know what not only grows well in our area, but what can be adapted to other similar sort of climatic zones around the world. So we're great. Pulses are great. Many advantages to growing pulses. As I said, highly nutritious, easy to grow, so forth. And we're also doing a lot of these trials on these various crops at the moment.
And are you growing pulses in your garden? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're growing and what's working well in your area as well. So that's it from us, celebrating World Pulses Day.
Yep, very important day.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support our work, there's information in the link below. In the meantime, happy gardening.
God bless.
Bye.